Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this email lead generation platform, which is Reply.io and Warmy. So let's get started. In 2025, Warmy is still one of the most specialized and effective tools for email warm-up and deliverability. It uses AI stimulated real box activities, including opening, replying, and removing emails from spam to build senders' reputation and keep cold emails out of junks folder. It's designed solely on this purpose, offering a automated warm-up schedules, performing tracking, and compatibility with most email provider. Reply.io was known for its outreach features, including a built-in warm-up tools that let new accounts get started without damaging senders' reputation. That said, Reply.io's warm-up is more basic and best need has a side features during campaign prep, while warming wins and down for serious warm-up need, especially if you are starting with a new domain or struggling with spam placement. And here's the overall conclusion: use warming for deep, consistent warm-up and inbox placement, while Reply.io warm-up is good, but warming is the specialist in that aspect. And that's it. I hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.